This happened to me, and I didn't want to let this happen to anyone else, so I brought this change. Hello everyone, my name is Vikram Saini and I'm a cybersecurity warrior. Started my career from the scratch and nowadays I'm helping others to get into cybersecurity. And as I promised in my last video that I'm coming with a new video series, and this video series is completely based on the cybersecurity interview questions. Will help you to prepare on different topics. I have a number of topics with me, and if you have a topic in your mind, you can share the topic with me and I will come with a video on that. You can also buy my course and can buy my book with the links provided in the later slides. I hope you will like. If you like it, just please share with your friends and colleagues. And I wish all the best for your upcoming cybersecurity interviews. Take care. Learn cybersecurity with Vikram Saini. In this video, we will prepare the interview questions for the Arp Protocol. Question number 1. What is Arp Protocol? Arp stands for Address Resolution Protocol. In simple words, it resolves MAC address to an IP address and IP address to MAC address. It is a supporting protocol in the TCP/IP model that helps the physical layer to get the MAC address of a device from its IP address. Question number 2. How does a machine send a packet in the local network? A machine follows a TCP/IP model for sending any network packet. TCP/IP model has 4 layers: physical layer, network layer, transport layer, and application layer. When a machine wants to connect with another machine, it requires some address. And a computer machine has 2 types of address: MAC address, which is called as a physical address, and IP address, which is also referred as a logical address. Generally, we connect to a machine either based on a domain name or an IP address. But sender machines also require the destination MAC address of the device to fill it in the physical layer. And to get this, source device sends an ARP request in the network and waits for the response. Once it gets the MAC address in the ARP response, source device fills all the required details in the physical layer and sends a packet in the network. Also, source device caches this address information to use for the further communications in the local ARP table. Question number 3. When a machine in the network sends an ARP request, what type of transmission is it? Unicast, multicast, or broadcast? A machine sends an ARP request to get the MAC address of the mentioned IP address in the packet. As source device don't know the MAC address, it sends a broadcast message with the address ff:/ff:/ff:/ff:/ff. And all devices who receives the ARP request update their information with the IP and MAC address of the source device in their local ARP table, but only the machine which has the IP address in the question sends a unicast response back to the original sender. Question number 4. What is gratuitous ARP? It's a kind of special request which is used to broadcast a device's own information, to provide an update of its MAC and IP address information to all other connected devices, or it can also be used to identify any IP conflict in the network. Question number 5. What kind of attacks can be performed by using an ARP protocol? By using an ARP protocol, an attacker can perform ARP poisoning and CAM poisoning attacks, which could lead to the man-in-the-middle attack, where attacker can see all the information or content in the network packet as a middleman between the source and destination device. This attack can also be extended to modify the messages from the original sender and send this modified message to the target recipients. Question number 6. Can you give me any tool name that can perform a man-in-the-middle attack? AtterCap. Question number 7. Is it possible to use Arp Protocol in a host discovery attack? Yes, it is possible. There are some tools like Angry IP Scanner that uses Arp Protocol to send a fake broadcast ARP message in the network and get the response from a live machines in the network. Question number 8. How can you detect ARP-related attacks in the SOC operation? Network intrusion prevention devices can be used for detecting any ARP-related attacks or for detecting the fake or multiple ARP broadcast message from any machine in the network. Question number 9. What are the possible false positive alerts that could be triggered by an IPS? In the corporate network, it is possible for a device to have more than one interface or adapters. When they own more than one MAC address, IPS could detect the same IP address generating packet with different MAC addresses, and it could trigger an alert for the investigation by the SOC team, which is false positive and require further tuning. Question number 10. What immediate remediations will you provide on the detection of a true positive ARP attack? If any machine attempt to perform man-in-the-middle attack, that means either the user intentionally attempting to listen to others' traffic or the machine is compromised and controlling by the attacker. The first immediate response is to find the machine in the network and disconnect it from the network if owner is not performing any test and require further investigation. If you are interested to enroll in my online video course for SOC and SIEM, or if you want to buy my book Hunt the Hackers, a complete SOC Analyst guide, you can visit my website www.vikramsaini.in for more details. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel for my upcoming new videos.